How to use invitation links on Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your Messenger account. Now open the group. Sure, I'm gonna open this one. After you open the group, now at the top you'll find the group member's name. Tap on it. With that, you're gonna find this kind of options. Now scroll down. You'll see the option of invitation link. Open this option. Now toggle on for this option of invitation link. With that, different options will pop up as copy, send in Messenger, share, and reset. By tapping on the option of copy, you can easily copy the invitation link and send it. Likewise, by tapping on this option of send in Messenger, you can send this link to the Messenger friends and invite them to the group. By tapping on this option of share, different options will pop up. You can share this invitation link through your top messages, Snapchat, Messenger, WhatsApp, and many more social media platforms. Likewise, by tapping on the option of reset, you can easily reset the invitation link. This is how you can use group invitation links on Messenger. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.